Mechanical testing looks great. I think that new part has the tensile strength that we need. Tensile. 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 When you're being pulled in two opposite directions, slowly, bit by bit, so that everybody can see you and see how you respond. How much force can you withstand before you finally split apart? That's your tensile strength. And I'm not talking about psychologically. I'm talking about if you are a chunk of material or a new screw that you've designed or this new biomaterial or something that has to have a certain strength to withstand forces pulling you apart. Well, you may have a certain tensile strength that is needed. In tough times, I think a material has to have sufficient tensile strength to withstand the expected and unexpected forces that are going to befall it. Tensile is an adjective. It is related to the word tension, which of course is the force of pulling on something. Tensile is pronounced tensile by me, but I've also heard it pronounced tensile, kind of like how you might pronounce the word futile as futile, depending on who you are and where you're from. Well, tensile strength or tensile strength is a fundamental material property, and you might study it as a mechanical engineer, but not only. I mean, you might study it as a civil engineer, biomedical engineer, tons of different engineers will think about it. You can measure it. You literally take a little chunk of your part or your material and you grip it on the two ends and you slowly pull the material apart while you measure how much force you're applying. And you look at basically when the material breaks. What is your tensile strength? I would like to see the word tensile be used in a more poetic way someday, and I want to find an excuse to talk about my psychological tensile strength. Maybe these times will give me that opportunity. Thanks for listening to the Engineering Word of the Day podcast by yours truly, Pius. If you like this stuff, maybe you'll want to check out my long-form engineering education podcast. Check it out at the website k12engineering.net. That's K, the number 12, engineering.net.